Hey there, future online business tycoons. Welcome to my channel. Today, I've got an exciting guide for you on how to kickstart your online business journey with Wealthy Affiliate. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Starting an online business can be a bit overwhelming, but fear not. Wealthy Affiliate is an all-in-one platform that's got your back. From website hosting to top-notch training and support, is the ultimate toolkit for your online success. Let's dive into some of the fantastic features Wealthy Affiliate has to offer. Wealthy Affiliate Hubs is a game changer. It's a suite of tools, training, and support designed to turbocharge your online business growth. Their website hosting is fast, secure, and reliable, essential for a thriving online presence. Comprehensive training and support cover everything from website design to marketing and SEO. There's no stone left unturned. The keyword research tool is a gem, helping you find profitable keywords to drive traffic to your website. And guess what? Wealthy Affiliate even has an affiliate program. You can earn as you share the success. Now let's talk about Wealthy Affiliate Hubs, the heart of your online business. The Hubs Wizard is your GPS for success. It guides you through choosing a direction, aligning with your brand, and getting your website up and running. Simple, efficient, and perfect for beginners. Once your website is up, use Wealthy Affiliate Hubs to create content hubs. These are collections of high quality, keyword optimized content. Each hub is like a whole business. With your membership, you can run up to, there's like Premium Plus membership, you can run up to 10 niche businesses. Now let's talk about the secret sauce, Wealthy Affiliates Core Training. These modules cover everything from website design to marketing and SEO. It's your one-stop shop for knowledge. SEO is crucial, and Wealthy Affiliates Core Training equips you with the tools and knowledge to make your website shine on search engines. Learn various techniques and create and sell your products, promote affiliate products, or use advertising to generate revenue. It's all there. By leveraging Wealthy Affiliates Core Training within Hubs, you're setting yourself up for a thriving online business that generates passive income for years to come. In conclusion, starting an online business might be challenging, but with Wealthy Affiliate, you've got everything you need. So, are you ready to take the plunge? If you're ready to turn your dreams into online reality, sign up for Wealthy Affiliate today. The tools and resources you need for a successful online business are just a click away. Go to the description below and click on the link there now. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Best of luck on your journey to online success. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, I wish you good health, wealth, and success.